Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you all meet?
Well, we met on Instagram, social media. I got like a hijabi thing. So I was looking at girls in hijabs, and I came across her profile, Rocky's profile, and I just remember thinking, she'll make somebody a good wife one day. Not me.
Just somebody.
Just somebody, yeah.
So, right, somebody a good wife.
Yeah, like.
Okay, so how do you go from she gonna make somebody a good wife to, well, wait a minute, maybe it's me that she gonna make a good wife for?
That's the destiny in this. I get a message in my DM one day saying, hey, I noticed you've been watching me. What's up? Do you know about astral projection? And we're into metaphysics and things like that. So.
Okay, astral projection.
Astral projection.
Okay, all right.
You're still married. Is that correct?
All right.
You are a married man.
You see my devil?
He is, Your Honor. And I just found that out.
I'm busted.
He's been hiding it for 2 years, Your Honor.
Okay, wait a minute. You've been with this man for 2 years.
Yes, Your Honor, and he's been hiding it for 2 years. He's standing over here talking about honesty, but he's the one who hasn't been honest with me from the very jump.
When did you find out that he was still married?
About last week, he told me.
So you know for a week that this man, who is your knight in shining armor,
Yes, Your Honor.
has been married the entire time.
Yes, Your Honor, and I feel betrayed. Like, not only that, and he has children as well.
And you didn't know he had kids?
He didn't tell me none.
Can I defend myself?
What?
Can I defend myself?
Okay, tell me.
Y'all talking like I ain't here. Y'all ain't here. This okay? Okay, well, let me explain. I thought it was just a phase.
You thought your marriage was just a phase?
No. I thought the relationship between her and I was just a phase. I had no intentions on actually like going this far with her.
Still, he should have given me the choice.
It was an Instagram thing. I'm thinking it's an Instagram fling, whatever.
Okay, wait a minute.
Miss Mathis, what is your relationship to Mr. Cameron Mathis?
That's my husband, but we're separated.